Welcome to this tutorial on how to create account report periods in COR. Whether you need a single custom period or a full set, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, COR makes it easy. We'll start by navigating to the report periods. From the Aspects menu, select Accounting, Report Periods. This opens the report period view where you can begin creating periods. Right-click anywhere in a blank area. You'll see two options: Add Category and Create Set. Let's start by adding a category. Right-click and select Add Category. In the name field, enter a category name. This will group your report periods for easy organization. To add a report period, right-click on your new category and choose Add Accounting Report Period. In the fields below, enter the name, date begin, and date end fields. Optionally, you can set an auto-close date. Auto-close sets the number of days after the end date when the period will close automatically. Alerts will remind you before and when a report closes. Closed reports no longer accept transactions. Let's create a report period set. Right-click again in a blank area and select Create Set. Using the dialog, choose quarterly, monthly, and/or weekly. You can select more than one. Enter an optional auto-close duration. Set the year begin date. Tabbing will generate your reports. You can make any changes to the generated report periods by selecting or deselecting the set options and/or changing the year begin date. Click OK when you're happy with the results. Now finalize and save everything in the report period view by making any changes and then clicking the Save icon. You've now learned how to create both individual and multiple report periods in COR. Thank you for watching. Explore our other tutorials for more ways to manage your business effectively.